Let's find the values of x that make the inequality below true. 6 minus 9x is less than or equal to 33. Okay, I'm going to solve this as I would an ordinary equation. I want to eliminate this constant term on the left side, so I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 minus 9x is negative 9x. And that is less than 33 minus 6 is 27. Okay, here's a tricky one. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 9. I don't think anyone will object to that. We have to be careful with that, though. Anytime you divide by a negative number, okay, and catch what I'm saying here, I'm dividing by a negative number. It's not just a negative number is involved. I'm dividing by a negative number. There's a negative in the denominator. Then I have to flip this sign around. 27 divided by negative 9 is negative 3. So I have x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay, so don't forget to flip that around. Now, let's go and graph this and write the interval. X is greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay, so x could equal negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put this as a boundary point. But negative 3 is a possible answer, so I'm going to close that circle in. Now, x is greater than negative 3. Everything this way is greater than negative 3, right? All the way to infinity. So my graph goes from negative 3 all the way to infinity. The interval starts at negative 3 and goes to infinity. Now, we always put a parenthesis on infinity. Since I have a closed circle here indicating that negative 3 is a potential value for x, I will use a bracket to indicate that. Okay, so bracket negative 3 comma infinity, close parentheses.